Do you collaborate on files during Teams meetings? You might find it convenient to access those files directly from the Teams channel. Every team in Microsoft's Teams application is automatically connected to a SharePoint site where you can create a folder system to store your Teams files. Let's look together in the Teams application. Whether you're on web or desktop, this will look the same. Now, in the list down the left side of the app, find the Teams channel for which you need to access a file. If you're like me and you usually filter your Teams app by chats or maybe unread chats, just switch this list so that it's showing channels. Once you're in the channel with the file you want to access, Teams actually starts by opening the Posts tab. However, since you're looking for files shared with your team, click on the Shared tab. If you're working on an older version of Teams, this is called the Files tab. Now I can see that right away because I'm working on a large monitor, but I want you to see how this will look if you are working on a smaller monitor, like on a laptop. If I were on a laptop, I would just see the Post tab to start and a drop-down arrow. So then I click that drop-down arrow and I select Shared. Now, from this shared library, you can click on folders and documents to open them. Files themselves open in the web version of the app, but if you'd like to do something differently, click on the ellipsis next to the file name and you'll see more options for other places you can open this. For example, I could open this agenda in the desktop version of Word if I prefer. Also, notice that there's a shared button in each file or folders row. This sharing works just like it does in SharePoint. Finally, if you are working with your colleagues or constituents directly in the meeting, maybe people are making changes in real time and adding documents, so you might want to reload the tab. To do that, click the drop-down arrow next to Shared and select Reload tab. Or if you've got a lot going on in this window, you can expand the tab so you can really focus on the files and folders in here. That's it. Happy collaboration.